Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. Sometimes when you click on a product link, you see something like this. And how can you fix this problem? Most especially if you have converted your Taobao shopping app to English version, you can always get something like this. Let's go back to the home page right here. If I scroll down right here and I click on this one again, and you can see this one is available right here. However, not every product is available in this category. If I click on here now, and then you see this items is currently unavailable in the English interface, stay tuned for more products to be added. Then go back and go back. Then from the home page right here, let's go ahead and check on another product right here. And I click on here to proceed. This one is available. So how can you fix the problem of some products are not available due to foreign or interface change in Taobao Chinese shopping app? So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and simply exit from Taobao right here. Then we start all over. So, but before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So next thing what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open up my Taobao shopping app. Having opened up your Taobao shopping app, next thing you want to do is to switch from English version back to Chinese version of Taobao. That is when you can fix the problem. So for that, you can see some of the products here are displayed to be English, while some of the products here are displayed to be in Chinese. So if I click on this one with in Chinese right here, and I click on here to proceed, and then this one is available right here. However, not every product you click is available in English version. So for you to make every product available in your Taobao, all you have to do is to click on your account right here. Click on setting icon from the top right here. So go ahead and click on the setting icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on region and language. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Then you want to make sure you simply switch to mainland of China. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And you are successfully switched back to mainland Taobao, China. So here, every product you click here is going to be available and you are done. Then you can click on any of the products right here. You see everything is going to be available. However, the language will remain in Chinese language. You just have to make sure you look for a translator that can help you to translate some of the language right here, just like so. But whatever product you click on here, every product is going to be available. By the time you go back, then you go back and you click on your account right here. Now you have your account fully back in Chinese mainland, and all the features in Taobao remain intact. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from Taobao, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.